How to fix your IP has been temporarily blocked in Windows 10 and Windows 11. A such type of error message will appear on your screen. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is enable your VPN or proxy setting. Go to Windows settings, choose network and internet, and check where your VPN is enabled or not. Also go to proxy settings and turn the toggle button on against option automatically detect settings, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search, type control panel, and open control panel in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Here go to network and sharing center. Click on change adapter settings. Here right click on your network connections and choose properties. Here go to internet protocol version, IP version IPv4, and choose use the following DNS server, and preferred DNS server should be 1111, and alternate DNS server should be 8 8 8 and 8, and press OK. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search, type Windows security, open Windows security. Here go to virus and threat protection, scan options, and choose full scan, and now click on scan now. That's